In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money in Tradingview step-by-step guide. Here's the plan. We'll connect your broker to Tradingview through the trading panel, and then you'll use your broker's funding option to add money to your trading account right from within Tradingview. Remember, Tradingview itself doesn't hold your funds. Your broker does. Tradingview is simply the interface that lets you trade and manage your account once it's connected. Start by opening Tradingview in your browser and loading any chart you like. If you're not already signed in, log into your Tradingview account so you can access the trading features. Once your chart is open, look along the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. This is where Tradingview lists all the supported brokers and where you'll manage the connection. Open the trading panel, and if you don't immediately see your broker, click the option to show all brokers. This expands the full list so you can choose the one you use. Take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct entity for your region, especially if your broker has multiple versions. Find your broker in the list. As an example, you might see providers like Capital.com and others. The process is similar across them. You'll connect, authenticate, and then access funding from their module inside Tradingview. Click Connect on your broker's tile. Tradingview will prompt you to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be redirected to your broker's secure login. Enter your account credentials only on the official login page. If your broker uses two-factor authentication, complete that as well. Never share passwords or codes with anyone and avoid logging in on shared or untrusted devices. Once the connection is successful, your broker's panel appears inside Tradingview. From here, you can top up money using your broker's own deposit, add funds, or top up button. Depending on the broker, you might fund directly in the panel or be redirected to the broker's website or app to complete the transaction. Choose your preferred payment method, confirm the currency and amount, and be aware of any minimums, fees, or processing times. If you trade in a different base currency, note potential conversion charges. Also, double check that you're in a live account, not a paper trading account, if your goal is to add real funds. After depositing, give it a moment for the balance to update. You'll see your available funds reflected in the trading panel and you're ready to trade through Tradingview using your broker's account. That's it. Simple, secure, and streamlined.